Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to be planning for Wednesday, November the 16th. All right, so I am still using this sticker kit by SimplySmithStickers. It is fur baby themed. We've got some kitty cats, some fish bones, paw prints, and thought there was another little bone on here. Yeah, little bones. So this is a cute kit. I love SimplySmithStickers. They are removable and you can, adjust the placement, which is really nice because if you're like me, I have a hard time getting the stickers on straight the very first time. All right, I'm going to flip my planner around, and if you're new here, I've got an Erin Condren Daily Duo, and this is the A5 size, and I have a Harmony Neutral. So all of the headers and tabs are a neutral color, which I love. Okay, let's grab my header here. I feel like I got a lot done yesterday. I'm excited to show you my to-do list from yesterday and see how little I really have to carry over today. I got really motivated yesterday after I filmed, edited, and uploaded my video for the day. I just got to work. My daughter is out of town for a clinical rotation for her PA program. So I'm here by myself, which means I can film in the morning and not have to be super quiet. And I just feel like I'm getting a lot more done. I miss her and I don't want her to be gone, but I put that on the wrong dadgum day. Let's try that again. Holy moly. See, this is what happens when I try to talk and film at the same time. I do my best, but man, that's hilarious that I put that on the wrong stinking day. Anyway, she's going to be gone for the better part of 5 weeks, and I'm going to miss her a lot, but I'm going to get a lot done while she's gone too. My daughter is, the program that she's in is a pretty rigorous program, and there's a lot of late night studying for the end of rotation exams that she has, and then also starting to study for the certification. And so usually what happens is when I'm ready to get some stuff done, she's tired and wants to take a nap, and it just seems like anytime I get motivated, she's napping and I have to be quiet. And so it is kind of nice to have the house to myself and to be able to get all the things done. I am getting a late start. What time is it? It's 5:30 in the morning. I have my coffee in my Starbucks coffee cup, and my plan is to get this filmed, edited, and uploaded hopefully by 6 Central Time. And then I need to film another video. Sorry, I needed some coffee. Holy moly, I need caffeine this morning. Okay, what's next? I feel like I haven't really done a whole lot. Feels like I've been filming for a hot minute and all I've got on there is the header. All right, let's grab the box for the corner. Somebody had asked me about my credit score and who I use for checking my credit score. And I have a Capital One account, and the credit score is in the app. So I don't use any other program other than my banking. All right, meetings. Checklist, to the checklist first. So yesterday, I had, are you okay? That was Chewy. This video is going to be a hot freaking mess. Yesterday I had a meeting at 6:30, and the people we were having a meeting with, their computer died, and so we have to push and do another meeting today at 6:30. So that is a thing. Usually this time would be empty. I actually really didn't have anything on my calendar for today except for just my regular meeting. So now I have something. My days are pretty full though, between, my meetings and, just getting stuff done in general. Okay, so that's that. And then I have my regular meeting with my boss and the newbies between 7:30 and 9:30. Now, we don't always use all this time up, but I have it blocked off on my calendar, which is the reason why I'm going to put it down. And then I have a meeting at 10. We have a team meeting today, which is every Wednesday. Yeah, today is, okay, I was thinking today was going to be an easy day, but I take that back. There's a lot to get done and a lot of meetings to be in. Okay, so first, let me just grab this because this is the sticker that is closest to me. This is from 3 to 5. I have my regular meeting. I need to redo these. They're a little bit big. This meeting sticker. And then we have team meeting. At 10, and that usually lasts about 30 minutes or so. It's not a long meeting. And then at 6:30, I have committee meeting. All right, so that's it for meetings today. And I found my pen, y'all. The cat's had swiped it, and it was underneath of the couch. So I'm using a friction erasable fine liner. I like this because it's like a felt tip pen. Okay, so let's do my to-do list. So let's go back to yesterday and see what I got done. I did the dishes. I went to the bank yesterday. I didn't film my cash envelope and sinking fund stuffing. I'll get that done hopefully this morning. I did laundry. I picked up. I organized the laundry room. I did some meal prep. I did not work out. So I got a lot done on my to-do list yesterday. So today I am going to leave working out off of my to-do list because I just don't think I'm going to get to it today. But I need to do the laundry room. I need to finish that up. I need to put some shelves up and organize the laundry room. And I need to film cash envelope and sinking funds. So film cash envelopes and sinking funds. I think I might do that in one video. Okay, I need to go to the dump. I have some boxes that need to be broken down and taken to the dump. What else? Was there anything? Oh, I got laundry done yesterday too. Okay, so everyday dishes is on the list. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I got a lot done yesterday, so I don't really have a whole lot for today. So I think that might be it for today, which is nice. So I'm gonna put my ticket count and my other tasks that I have. So I can record that. And yeah, I think that's it for today. So not a lot on the to-do list, but that's just because I got so much done yesterday. All right, guys, that is everything from me. This was my plan with me for Wednesday, November the 16th. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.